How you doing, guys? Are you guys good? Who's having the time of their life? Who's having the time of their life? You want some more? You want some more? If I call you Maudu, Mafedi, Manameja, CEO, Maudu, Linky, Punta, Punta. Okay, I'm gonna start over. Maudu, Mafedi, Manameja, Maudu, Linky, Daddy. Yeah, Daddy. Yeah. So guys, everyone is enjoying. See you. Okay guys, everyone is swinging. Now it's time to go. Where do you want to go now? Where? The spinning one? Okay. Go, let's see which one. Don't step on the tire. Don't step on the tire. Make sure your legs are stretched out. Yee! Yippee! Okay, I'm gonna be here now. I'm gonna help these ones. And I'm gonna help these ones. 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 What? Why are you crying now? You don't want it? Okay. If you want it. So, okay, we're gonna go spin there, okay?
Take me down.
Let's go spin, let's go spin. Don't move. Be safe. Get out. Already? Okay, it's about to rain. Let's go to the car.
Yes, but we don't have Chappy.
You got Tabby Tabby? Stop, stop, there, stop. Guys, stop. They were going to the car now. We're going to the car, okay?
Just one playground. Just one car.
Hurry.
I just want to because
Wait, stop there. You have one Tabby Tabby. You have a Tabby Tabby. Let me remove it. Off you go, Tabby Tabby. Leave my kids alone. You have Tabby Tabby? Who has Tabby Tabby? Daddy, stop, man. Hey, hey.
Let's go.
Where are we gonna go now? Wait, don't move, guys. You got a Tabby Tabby. I told you to not move. Don't leave me when I'm out. Leave me.
Is that bowling?
Hurry, get on my back. Wait. Get on my back. Wait, don't move. Hey, get on my back. Wait, now hold on. I'm moving. Hurry. Where are we going?
To the car. No, do that. No.
We're gonna go to the shops now.
Yes.
Go to the car. Just stop there. Don't go in. Wait there. Wait there. Hurry, go wait with them. Wait there. You know why you got those things? You don't listen. I say stop, you left. That's why you have those things now.
Hey, get up.
Hurry away.
Ow!
Ndari ul. Woohoo! Woohoo! Should I spin you more? Alright. I'm putting more power. You want more?
Yeah.
Oh, don't cry, don't cry. Okay, we're going home. We're going home. You're crying.
No.
They're crying. We're going home. Let's go
Can I
home.
get those chippies?
You're crying.
No. Can I get those chippies?
Alright, let's go home.
Can I get those chippies I saw?
Where?
Yeah, but they can't eat. And they can't eat.
Where are you going? You're gonna get those things. Stand here. Stand here. Where are you going there? Okay, guys, we had fun. Let's go to the shops. Let's go to the shops now. Get off. Everyone get off. Time is up.
Okay, I have to pick up. Stop on the tippy toes, everyone.
Guys, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put you here and then you're gonna walk there. Okay?
I'm gonna come again.
Come. Babysitting first. BB. Daddy, wait, hey. Linky, get off. Hurry, let's go. No, wait, wait. You're gonna get chubby. Daddy, why are you moving? Why are you moving? You're gonna get those things and I'm not gonna help you. I said don't move. Alright, let's go. I stop there.
Okay, everyone, watch out for car.
Whoa. Hey! Pop up. Oh, I got a heavy. Oh. Down.
How can you get chubby when you're not
It went through my shoe. Who's left? Is everyone here?
Yes.
Let's go to the car.
Okay.
Don't run. Hey, don't go outside the road. He's driving like a crazy person. Come. Where are you going?
I could walk by myself.
Yeah, walk by yourself. You gotta learn to be independent. Let's go.
Left, straight,
Left, right, left. Wait, Tabi. If you go right, Tabi, let's go straight. Let's go. Hey! Let's go. Walk by yourself. Hey, Lauren. But guys, I want to eat. Why are you like this bullying me? It's late. I just came back. I want to eat. I'm scratching you.
Yes.
Did I scratch you?
Yes.
Did I scratch you?
Yes.
I didn't scratch you.
You did just now.
Eh?
Just now.
Just now. Me?
Yes.
I will eat all of you right now. I wanna chow everybody. You're busy disturbing me. I want to eat. I wanna chow everybody. Hey Mojo! How are you, Mojo? Hi, baby. Are you good? Hey, Manyawecha. How are you? You're fine. Hey, Mafedi. How are you? Are you fine? Hey, Ramiro. How are you? Are you good? Hey, CEO. How are you? How are you? Are you having fun? Good. Linky, where do you want to go? Are you cold? Hey, Linky. How are you? Are you having fun? I stopped, baby. You want more? What kind of more? Okay. Who wants to be pushed? Okay, you all want more. Where's Linky? Let me go check on Linky. I'm coming. But you guys are flying. Let me go check Link. Yo, see you. Mautu, are you okay? Yeah, swing here. Wanna Linky? Hello, Linky.
Hello,
Come here. Mautu. Where's baby? Oh, Rami is waiting for her sister. Baby, I go swing. Wee, and their friend. Wee. Wee. Bona Jill. Chambala to the swings. Spin. Wee. 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 Hey, don't hit baby. Wee. Let's Ima is happy with their friend there. They found a new girlfriend. He's very happy. Doesn't even want to play with us anymore.
When are you gonna stay with her?
Eh?
You're gonna stay with her.
He's happy. Look at Mautu. What did you say, baby?
What is this?
We're a little bit cold. Guys, we're gonna call it a day. This is the last swing, and then we're gonna call it a day because he said it's cold. Baby said it's cold, and Rati's also cold. I gave her my t-shirt.
I wanna swing.
Okay, get on. Let me spin everyone, and then we'll go swing.
Like this.
Okay, make sure you don't fall.
I need to put Emma.
Ima is happy. Leave Ima. Ima is happy.
Yeah, he's looking for his own. There's even a long stick in my.
Hurry, get on the swing.
Yes.
Okay, we'll go. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Faster! You want more? You want fast? Baby? Eh? But this is not a swing. I can't spin it. What did you say?
Can you please push us?
You want to be pushed?
Yes.
Let's go. Let me go push these girls. It's not a swing, my girls, ne? It's just a seat. You want to go to the Ekrantlats?
Excuse me?
Ekrantlats.
Hmm?
The snyok.
Excuse me?
The snyok. Ekrantlats.
Huh?
Ekrantlats.
Excuse me? Excuse me?
Ekrantlats.
What?
Ekrantlats is snyok.
But he say that means something over here. No, leaving this.
Who's nang?
You
I will beat you up.
You talk too much now. It doesn't even hurt. That's how you got.
It doesn't hurt.
You don't have strength. You don't have strength. You don't have strength. You don't have strength. I give you strength, but still you don't have strength.
I don't have a strength. I don't have strength.
You don't have strength.
I don't have strength. You also saying I don't have strength.
Ow!
I don't have strength.
Chew it. Chew.
Okay.
Let's go.
No.
I'll beat you up.
No, you're not going.